You're not wearing that anymore?
No.
Yeah. Thank you. Choose a long sleeve one. Because it might be cold, baby. Can you feel it's cold? Okay. How about this one? Oh my gosh, what about this one? Oh, how about this one today? Oh my gosh.
What's in that to me?
Ate Holly did.
Why Ate Holly did?
Because it's too small for her. This is nice.
Yes.
Oh, beautiful. Take it, I'll fix it. Oh my gosh, you're so pretty today. Oh, so perfect. What? Are you kidding me right now? Oh my gosh. That is beautiful, baby.
It's a button.
The buttons, there's a lot of buttons. There's one here, look. 1, 2, 3 buttons. Oh, maybe take the leggings off now. Do you need the leggings?
Yes, I do.
You do? Okay. Oh my gosh.
It's following me.
It's following you. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Hello.
Hello.
Isla's almost ready. Ayusin ko lang yung buhok niya mamaya. But nakabihis na siya. It is, ano oras na ba today? 12:03 ng noon. And meron kaming late lunch mamaya. So, that was the Daba first spray serum. Konting-konti na lang, guys. Ay, check ko to sa YesStyle. Baka meron to sa YesStyle. I like this one. Ano yung sinasabi ko? Yeah, we have late lunch. Kasama si Mars.
Your dad's coming.
No, she's not coming.
I think your dad's coming.
Yeah, Veronica, come.
Huh? This is medicine.
Sunscreen is Kahisol.
I want that.
You want that too?
Yeah. Why Daddy give you your ring?
Because he asked me to marry him.
I want to marry Daddy.
You want to marry Daddy? Daddy is your daddy.
I want to marry Daddy.
You want to marry Daddy? Not here. Just a little bit, come on. Oh my gosh. I have a little bit too. I have a lot. Alam ko pa ulit-ulit ako, ba't gusto ko itong sunscreen na to, guys. Hindi siya malagkit. Oh, nice. Ang dali niya lang ilagay sa mukha. Oh, hindi siya maputi. Yung importante sa akin, walang white cast. Perfect na perfect. Alright. Should we put some...
Tattoo.
Is that a tattoo?
Yeah, tattoo.
Asan na yung ano ko?
I want tattoo. Yeah.
Ay, nako. Asan yung brush ko, Bob? Yung mga brush ko, ang jujume na nila. Kasi kung saan na lang pinagbabrush nitong mga anak ko, eh. Where's my brush? Ay,
Mommy, help me just.
Wait, meron akong bagong brush yung sa YesStyle, diba? Asan na yun? Nandito ba yun, ate? Wait, babe. What are you willing to do? Wala akong brush. Alam niyo ba lately yung iniisip ko? Sponge. Wala din akong sponge. Tinapon ko lahat ng aking mga makeup sponge, yung mga beauty blender ko. Like, ever since lumipat kami dito sa bahay na to, never pa ako nakagamit ng sponge. Kasi, tinapon ko ata siya, guys.
Where's the pond?
I know, I don't have any. Now, can you get me a wipe, please? A wet wipe? From there. Thank you. Ayan na. Punta siya doon.
A baby wipe?
Yes, please. Thanks, baby. Wipe natin to. What are you willing to do? Oh my gosh, I have this. Expired na to for sure. Kailan pa ito
What's
expired?
that?
Hindi bago to eh.
It's a sponge.
It's a sponge.
Oh
Oh my gosh, I remember the days. Oh, sorry. Hindi pwede kumanta. Oh my gosh, kailan pa ba ako last time nag-concealer?
What about this one?
Expired na siguro.
Mom, what about this one?
Kilala niyo ba itong product na to? Instant age rewind.
Mama,
Yes, baby. Yes,
what
baby.
about this one?
Huh? That one?
Yeah.
Wala nang lumalabas na product. Matigas na ata to, ate.
Mama, why can't you use it to this?
Yeah. Where's my wipe? Oh, thank you, baby. Oh my gosh.
I can't use this one.
Ooh. Diba? Kahit parang wala namang nalagay na product. Wait. Ayaw lagi na. Ibabal ko nga dito. Just wait. This is not for red blush. Just wait, okay? So, naglagay ako nung Maybelline concealer. Sobrang konti lang, guys.
There's an ant.
Huh? There's an ant?
It's a small ant.
A small ant? Did you step on it?
No.
No? Why? You scared?
Yeah.
It's really small?
Yeah.
Okay, just step on it.
No, it's not my pet.
It's not your pet. Okay. You don't want to kill it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want a boss too.
Hmm?
I want a boss.
And yung nilalagay ko sa mukha ko pala is ito. Chanel na Water Fresh Tint. Malapit na talaga. Malapit na talaga. Naubos na yan. Bakit nag-makeup si Mami mo today? Hindi na kasi si Ayla. Tapos ko na din lahat ng gawain ko. So, nag-laundry kami. We do laundry twice a week. Isa during the week.
Same.
Yes. And then, isa on the weekend para ready yung susuotin ni Dan for work. So, we usually do it Sunday. Tapos, yung isa is midweek, Tuesday or
This
Wednesday.
is for red.
Depende.
No, this for red.
Yeah, that's for red. Okay, you can use that. Yeah.
It's for a tin.
Yes. So, nag-laundry na kami. Natupi ko na lahat ng kailangan tupiin from last laundry and na-put away ko na din. And nasampay ko na yung laundry kanina. So, I'm good. And I think we leave in more than an hour pa, guys. We still have more than an hour. So, ako na talaga mag-makeup.
Mom, help me.
Help you with what?
Like this.
Okay, yeah. Just tap it like that. And then put it on your face. I'll use this Maybelline Tattoo Brow. My microblading is still really good. Like, I don't really touch my brows anymore. Very rare na lang. And if I do, I use this. Yung Maybelline Tattoo Brow. It's a styling gel. Nakaka-add siya ng konting kulay. Konting-konti lang. Kasi yeah, my microblading is doing really well. Hindi pa ako nakapag-retouch. Siguro naka-retouch lang ako ng isang beses after. Hindi ko na maalala. After 6 weeks ba yun? Yeah, tapos, I think you need to get it done after 6 months again. I don't remember na. Nakailang balik na ba ako dun? O, diba? Sige, chika pa more. Chika pa more, sis. Yeah, nakailang balik ba ako, guys? Hala, doon. Nakalimutan ko na ang mga gamnap sa aking life. Nakadalawang balik lang ako, diba? Yung first is yung nung first ko siyang pinagawa. And then, yung after 6 weeks ba yun? Or after 6 months? 6 weeks ata yun. Alright. Alright.
I don't think you.
You got a lot. Oh my gosh. Show the guys your face. Show the guys. Oh my goodness. You look beautiful. You look very, very beautiful today. Can I borrow that brush now? Can I use the same brush for Mama's cheeks? Thank you. Do we have any left?
I don't. You don't.
Okay, thank you. Can I have some? Thanks, baby.
I wipe it a bit, Mom.
You wiped it. You wipe it a little bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's a nice color.
Yeah, that's a nice.
Yeah. Ito, tatapon ko na to eh. Kasi ito yung laging tirada ni Ayla. Ito yung itsura niya from Kaja na brand. Ay, the focusing is very good. And it's the shade 02 Spicy. I got this from YesStyle again.
Mom,
Ang ganda ng kulay niyo. Kita niyo ba?
any more boxes for me?
Oh. Any more brush?
Small boxes.
Small brush. I will be using this Christian Dior na lipstick. Yung Rouge Dior Forever nila. Ganito kulay niya. Ah! Dapat yung focusing ng camera nito. Gotta get it.
Is that me white? I wanted it a white face.
Oh my goodness. Siya na talaga ang naglagay ng lip tattoo. Good luck sa bibig mo yan, mamaya, Inday.
Mama,
Parang ang dark tingnan sa camera nitong lipstick na to, but it's not that dark. Parang dark niya tingnan dyan. Parang siyang brick red dyan. Ha?
I do it white.
Oh, what?
Can you help me do it?
Help you do it? What's happening?
Can you do it a little bit for me?
Okay.
Dip it, Torres, lipstick.
Sorry?
Dip it, Torres, lipstick.
Different color lipstick again. Maybe not this one because this is a tattoo. I can do this one for you. Different color lipstick. Yes. Hey. You okay? Is your lips okay? It's very nice now, your lips. I love your lips.
I love your lips.
You love
You
your
got a ribbon. Huh? What's that?
It's a lip tint. Oh my gosh.
The hair is melted.
Smells good, yeah. Oh, baby, you're so pretty.
I see the mercy on my lips.
Sorry?
And I see the mercy on my lips.
Oh, you will show Tita Merce your lips. Okay, perfect.
It's very filthy.
So cute.
Guys!
Guys, I'm ready. Tinatawag niya kayo. Akala niya,
Ah!
hindi na malapit. No, because I didn't turn it on. Come back here. Come back here so it can see you. See? Like that. I need to fix your hair. I am ready. OOTD. This top is, I think, from Yes Style. Ano lang siya?
Don't
Short sleeve.
worry.
Go away, guys. Why?
I don't like you.
And then I'm wearing pants from Zaful. It fits my belly. Perfect. And my parang trench coat na manipis lang is from Banana Republic.
Mama.
And then I went for my Gucci. Huh?
I want to see how you open.
You wanna open? Alright, here. Wala pang laman to, ate.
Huh? Okay?
A hair tie. Here, let's fix your hair. Because mom's ready na. And look at me. Ako na talaga ang nakapag-eyelashes pa.
Oh, I'm ready.
You ready? Let's fix your hair. Let's fix it. Let's braid it down and then put all the hair ties. Come on.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
Bye, guys.
Alright, sit down so we can do your hair. Hala, nagugutom na ako. Ah, we have 30 minutes, guys.
Princess.
We have a long time to go. Alright. A princess hair?
Yeah.
Braided on the side like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
That has my ears.
Okay. Let's just take this off so we can fix your hair properly. Nagugutom na ako, ate. What are you willing to do?
No, don't sneeze.
Kanina tapos na ako sa mukha ko. Tapos umakyat na si Dan para maligo. Sabi ko, ay, maliligo pa lang siya. Mag-lashes tayo, be. Ako na talaga ang nag-lashes. Yung DIY lashes lang, guys, yung dinidikit siya. Ito din yung ginamit ko sa Christmas party namin. And that was the last time I used it. So, it was a long time ago. Alright, come on. What do you want me to do, princess?
Princess.
Do you want me to do a crown?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ah, that's like Tiana.
Huh?
That's like Tiana.
Diana.
Yeah, you know, that's like Tiana hair.
Okay. You can't really tell that there's a braid because your hair is curly.
Why my hair curly?
I don't know. Where did you get your curly hair from? Daddy or mommy?
A dye.
A guy.
I thought a dye her dye. It turned my hair.
Oh, the guy that cut your hair. Silly.
And I ate your pants.
In the Philippines.
Don't worry.
That guy that cut your hair. Well, you told him to cut your hair. That's why he did it. You don't want your hair cut anymore?
Yeah.
Yeah, you want it longer?
Yeah.
That's okay. Next time we will not get it cut. We will just leave it really long like Rapunzel, okay?
And your Dosman.
And like Jasmine, yes.
And your Peppa Pig.
Peppa Pig, does she have a long hair?
No.
Yeah. You silly.
How?
Oh, sorry. Oh, no.
How?
The hair, it's not straight.
I'm not straight, Mom.
It's okay, just don't move, okay? Look at that. Very pretty. One. Where's the other one? Thank you. Perfect. We'll find another one to put here. Ah, it's alright. Looks nice. Oh yeah, we'll find another one. Let's go show Daddy. We're ready! Tingnan mo mga kakulayan namin. Nagpalit ako ng blazer. And then nagpalit din ako ng bag. Kasi ayoko na ilipat yung mga gamit.
Mommy, why are you wearing princess shoes?
I'm wearing princess shoes because I wanna matchy-matchy with you. Spider-Man yung isa sa likod. Let's go!
I'm wearing.
Yay! Oh, wow!
Yeah!
Yeah!
Wow!
Yeah! Arlo! Let's go, guys. Come on. Daddy's waiting. Arlo, don't do that. Oh my gosh, what did you do? Alright, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Hello, relax. Uy, 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 uy. Kainan na. Dito na yung pagkain namin. I got the pork. Thank you. Thanks very much. Thank you. So I got pork belly. Tapos yan. And crunchy siya this time, guys. Very good. Kids, Danny boy. Dito na lahat.
That's why you gotta blow it.
Dito na sa'yo. Nagstay ka pala. Kain na. Tapos na kami. Punta daw kami Henley Beach. Henley Beach? We're going? Babe, punta tayo Henley Beach? Henley Beach? Henley Beach. Other side, Alo. Sige, dyan ka naman.
Other side.
Uy, Arlo, who's that, Arlo? Sila na talaga nakita ang doggy.
We'll just get like takeaway or something. Yeah, I'm not even hungry. Me neither. 6 o'clock. We're at Breweries. Do you want anything? We're going to switch out to Breweries for dinner. Back it up. He saved some money on food, so we're
Hello. Oh my gosh. Naghalikan na sila. Ayla, look at Alo. Look at Alo. Wait, shot.
My kids are scared.
Okay, Alo. Kiss the doggy. Kiss the doggy.
What do you recommend?
Kiss. Kiss the doggy. Kiss the doggy.
Can you tell,
Oh, you text Kathy to bring
I know I have to bring,
Dito pala kami kina Mers. Pero alis na din kami. Tapos na kami kumain. 8:30 na eh. Naglalaro lang ang kids. Ayan. Tapos na kami kumain. Alis na kami maya-maya lang. Okay, guys. Ayla, help put away the toys. Because we're going soon. Sige na. Just put the cars in here, oh. In the box. 9:31 na ng gabi. Kakarating lang namin, guys. Tulog yung mga bata sa car. Nagtitake na ako ng fish oil ngayon. Recommended ng midwife ko na mag-take daw ng fish oil. So, nagtitake ako ng fish oil. Once every day. So, tinitake ko siya sa gabi kasi recommended daw na dapat tapos ka na kumain. Pero nainom ko na yun kanina kasi meron ako sa baba. Naglalagay din ako dito sa taas just in case nakaakyat na ako tapos hindi pa ako nakainom. So, meron akong nakastock dito sa taas ng mga fish oil. Yan, nakainom na ako sa baba. Hininom ko siya with my gatas doon sa baba. Tapos yun, dito sa taas, yung vitamin D ko. Kasi, pag hindi ako nagpa-vitamin D, low yung aking vitamin D. And yung aking pregnancy vitamins, yung LLEP. So, yung tatlong yan, yung iniinom ko gabi-gabi. So, yung fish oil sa baba, iniinom ko siya. At least, hindi ko sila sabay-sabay inumin tatlo. So, iniinom ko yun with my gatas. Tapos, ito tubig ko. So, yung gatas lang na iniinom ko is yung ano lang, normal na iniinom namin dito sa bahay. Yung iniinom namin lahat. Yung ano, yung cow's milk. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako parang bumubulong. Tulog na yung mga bata. Tanggal ako ng makeup. Yan, ako lang talaga ang naka-eyelashes talaga, guys. In fairness, okay pa din sila. Tingnan natin pagising natin sa umaga. Pakita ko sa inyo yung ginamit ko. Ito yun. Na-order ko sa Amazon. Napakita ko ba ito kanina? B&Q Lash. Yeah, hindi ko alam kung ito exactly na mga strands yung ginamit ko ng Christmas party. Kasi parang mas maganda siya kaysa nung sa Christmas party. Pero hindi ko ginamit yung mahaba ha. Yung ginamit ko lang is isang 12, yung sa pinakadulo. And then 10, yung sa gitna. And then 8, yung dito sa inner part talaga. So isang 8. Tapos yung sa gitna, 3 atang 10. Tapos 12 dito sa pinakagilid. Para mahaba yung pinakagilid. Tapos, maikli lang yung pinakababa. Yun lang. Tingnan natin kung ilang araw siya maglalast. Tatanggal lang ako ng makeup. Tapos maliligo. And then, okay na tayo. Good night. Good night, guys. Sana na-enjoy niyo yung vlog. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye. Good night.